the iPhone 11 with 64 GB storage and the purple color, the special edition. Let's unbox this. The 11 series, which has released in 2019, has multicolors. So the purple color is in my hands. So this is the mobile phone with the two cameras and the half bite Apple logo in it with a middle. So let's take over the manuals, the hello, and the same pen with the two stickers. This is the small charging adapter, and here we go. These are the earphones, Apple earbuds. So, and the charging data cable with a USB port one side and the Type-C other side. So let's on the mobile. Very glassy finishing back look, and the front with no screen protection. So just I'll on now. So here we go. So let's set up the mobile and see how fast the mobile runs, the smooth and the hertz. So this is very slim, as you all are aware of an iPhone. So this is not so old. Let's set up this as hello. I'll select my language. The region is India, and okay, the quick start. You need to have the Wi-Fi signal, so to set up, and the system must be up to date. So just I have gone through the setup of the internet. Now let's continue the mini settings and the updates of the Mac or PC. So yeah, I guess you know my password. Okay, next. चलो ये तो कनेक्ट हो गया. अभी हम सेटअप कर लेंगे. Dark mode, display zoom, go home, switch between recent apps, quick apply, and welcome to iPhone. Yeah, this is the brand new wallpaper with a Naya edition. So I have bought this in the festive offer. Okay. Next, there is an additional unboxing. iPhone तो खरीद लिया, पर उसकी रक्षा कौन करते? हमें करना है. तो इसलिए ये स्क्रीन गार्ड, the Spigen, the international screen protector and the cover all over the world to every Android and iOS mobile. So I have bought this from the forum in the Banggood. This costs around 999. So let's set up this with the fix, and this is a crystal white. This cover is a flexible. You can see the instructions there. So I'll just place it, and okay, just keep over that. I think you know the height of this. The display is okay. The setup is over. So this is how the iPhone looks. The sensor, which you can see the up with the blinking light of the purple, you don't think that the light is inside it. Just the camera which I play, it detects the sensor, so you can see that over there. It's not in the phone, there is no light in that, it's just sensor. So this is how the iPhone looks. So I hope you like this video. Please do comment, like, share, and the first thing, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So we'll meet in the next video. Keep watching my videos. This is Sree signing off. Bye. Thank you.